The Scratchpad and Paradigm's code IDE are your essential tools for rapid experiments and temporary code snippets. They allow you to test ideas quickly without impacting your main project, accelerating your development process, and fostering exploration. To access the Scratchpad, simply click on the page icon located in the top right corner of the IDE. This action will open a new SQL file named Scratch1. You'll notice that this new file is automatically added to a folder called Paradime Scratch. Within this new Scratch file, you have the ability to write SQL queries and dbt queries. To preview your results, navigate to the Data Explorer and select Preview Data. To help you maintain a clean Git repository, your Scratchpad files are set to be ignored so they won't appear in your Git changes. If you wish to rename a Scratchpad file, simply right-click it within your folder and select Rename. You'll also be pleased to know that Scratchpad supports Python, and you can test your Python code by executing a command in the integrated terminal. Finally, even though your Scratchpad is set to be ignored, it remains accessible across all your working sessions in Paradime. This means when you log back in, your Scratchpad files will still be there, ready for you to continue your work.